Hello and welcome back to the Scotia Vloggers. I'm Audrey.
And I'm Chris.
And today we are doing a nature box unboxing. So that is nature box.
So we already did a nature box, babe.
That's right. So our last nature box unboxing was the trial box. And this is a full-size box that Chris got. Summer Adventures. Excellent. Yeah, it's just telling stuff about the company and things like that. And it tells I'm not going to show you this, but it's a form to tell us what we got in the box. So, first things first. We've got, I don't know if you can see it. I got it. So it is Italian Bistro Pretzels, garlic and parmesan, cheese flavored pretzel bites. So we crack it open. It's kind of cute. Up on the corner of the bag here, it says, "Start snacking." I'm very excited because I've only heard good things about Nature Box.
And these are all resealable bags. So
yes, that's a good thing. I'm excited.
Good.
Ready? Okay. Italian Bistro Pretzels. Wow. You can really taste the garlic. I actually like them a lot. That's good. That he doesn't, because I get to eat them that way. So, that's good. Okay, so in our last unboxing, we had... I'm still getting used to this whole... Okay, so this is peanut butter Noms. In the last unboxing, we had our full-size snack in the trial box was dark chocolate Noms. I did not like them. Chris did. And I think we're going to do the same thing we did last time and split one on the off chance that one of us doesn't like it. The other one can eat it.
It's peanut butter, so I think I'll like it.
We'll see. They taste very... sorry, they don't taste. I think there's chocolate in them. Oh, mini peanut butter oat cakes. Okay. So, what did you think of the Nom Nom? You like the Nom Nom? So, I think it's official. Audrey is not a fan of the Nom Noms. It says an oat cake, but it's more like a mud pie.
Nope, I like it.
I don't like it. But that's okay. You know, I'm sure I'll like the other things. Okay. So, maybe we'll do this one first. So now we have toasted sesame sticks. Okay. So, a quarter of a cup is a serving, and it's about 30 grams, and there's 4 servings in a container. So it has 170 calories and 11 grams of fat. The reason it has so much fat, of course, is because it has seeds in it, and seeds have fat. But good fat, because there's only, there's no trans fat and only 1.5 grams of saturated fat. So we'll give it a go.
Sure.
So it doesn't say they have a flavor. I'm hoping they might be salted. That would be nice. Maybe take 2. They smell like nuts. I don't hate them. They're not my favorite thing.
Not my flavor to them.
They sort of taste like those, like, sesame honey snappy cracker sweet things. I don't even know what they're called. Snappy sesame snaps. Sesame snaps. Okay. So that's what they taste like. Not bad, but not a lot of salt, which is sad because. Okay. So the next thing we have, and you can't really see that. There you go. It is double berry fruit peels. So we have raspberry, blueberry fruit strips. And that's kind of cool. Again, all of them come in a resealable bag. So I think this is a new one, a new-ish one. It tastes pretty good. It's like,
it's almost like a gel jam, but it's real fruit. It's all natural. It's really good.
it's
And
very.
it tastes like strawberry or grape. Right to say. Double berry.
Raspberry, blueberry.
Okay.
So,
It's good.
yeah, I
It's
like
like
it.
fruit roll-ups, but
Better.
better
Like
for you.
Like a fruit leather, like what Sunripe would do or something like that. Okay. So the last thing in our box is not a resealable bag for the first time. Which, if they're good, that's okay because we probably will eat them. So it is salt and pepper lentil loops. Baked lentil and potato crisps. So 1 ounce is a serving size, and there's 3 ounces in this bag. So it's a fairly good sized bag, actually.
But
My head, Chris's head.
But the size of a small bag of chips that you would buy at a corner store, maybe a bit bigger.
Yeah, maybe the yellow corn things from Chester Cheeto. Yeah. Grams. Ooh, they're easy to open. They smell okay. They sort of smell like nothing. Are we ready to try some lentil crisps?
Not a huge amount of flavor.
I got pepper or something. Yeah, because there's black pepper on it. Okay. So, my verdict for that one.
I like them, but again,
They sort of, I don't know.
there's a lot of flavors on them.
Ooh. Yeah. I don't know if you can tell. They sort of look like packing material.
Yeah.
They don't, not that I've ever tasted packing material. They don't really look like packing material. But
It's good.
I guess it's good that they're good for you.
Better alternative than, say, they're better for you than chips, which I like a lot of chips.
Okay, so overall we have the lentil loops, I guess, which, were
Good.
pretty good. The fruit peels,
Italian Bistro pretzels.
The peanut butter Noms,
And the toasted sesame sticks.
Nature Box has over 100 snacks to choose from, and you can sort of customize what you want and do that kind of thing. So, overall, would you say it's a good value then?
Yeah.
I think, This was more Chris choosing these ones, so I have one coming for myself that should be here in a couple of weeks, and they're more to my taste, like it's more like dried fruit and that kind of stuff. So for him, this is good. For me, I chose some different stuff, so that's going to be really kind of cool to see his taste versus my taste in the nature box, because we'll be doing them together all the time. Yeah, so that about wraps it up for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. Otherwise, what do they do?
Like, share, comment, subscribe. That too. Yes, okay. We're lacking in subscribers. We've only had 3. So come on, people, subscribe. So subscribe.
Okay, well, thanks so much, and until next time,
take care.
Have a good week.